My name is Johnson. Grade 1. Ako'y tayo, ikaw ay akin. Tanda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon nag-iisa. Sana ay labihan na. Tayo lalim ng kutiya. Sa ilaw na ban. Aking gano ang aking sigaw. Sa ilaw na ban. Tayo lalim ng kutiya lang. Sa ilaw na ban. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa ilaw na ban.
I just wanna be part of your symphony. Will you hold me tight and not let go? Symphony. Like a love song on the radio. Will you hold me tight and not let go? Never taught you how to be a real man. Would you hold it down and take it if I gave you a chance? Need the reassurance, baby, not a silly romance. Yes, I'm used to being disappointed.
좋아한다? 아닌데. 나는 사랑하는데.
From my just not find out and be so tight. Đừng chút nơi nhớ hôm qua đâu về lạc bước rất thế bồi phai. Con tim phải không phụ chung đôi nhịp tôi lệch nâng vào đâu ấm hung quen tôi đã đỡ tương lai. Tôi như mộng mơ thơ tan theo mơ. Oh, we had girl, quit playing.
Hey,
Just
Epcon.
friends, what are you saying? Look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart.
I was raised in a broken and abusive household.
This chicken is cold.
When I turned 17, I ran away to Hong Kong, where I met triad boss Kenny Wu, my first love.
Bitch, this chicken is cold.
Wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I
Yeah.
get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say,
Bitches say shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the
and I
trap.
say,
Bitches say shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in
Life update, andito kami sa bahay nila, boss. Hoy, tara, movie marathon tayo.
I love her. I love.
Wag na lang. Wag na.
I love her.
Ito talaga si Pres na may miss agad ako eh.
ChatGPT ba to? Porket di kita nakikita, patamad-tamad ka na dyan, Device mo yan?
Valentine's Day, Part 2.
Sorry.
Di siya pagmasda. Kahit na ilang araw, taon at buwan. Hindi mo maintindihan.
Mga siraulo kayo. Next na kakasal yung pari kay Becky.
Hoy, anong sinasabi mo?
Milabulin mo. Magbabayad ako. Yes, boss. O, dyan ka lang. Huwag kang aalis. Yes, boss.
Later.
Madam, dyan ka lang ha. Tantayin mo yung groom mo.
Oh, hindi na!
Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Itindigin kita ng parang dalahan. Hawak ang iyong mga kamay sa liwanag ng buwan at sinaraw lahat.
Oh my gosh, ang lalandi! Becky, sagutin mo na yan! Wala nang kasal! Honeymoon na agad! Hoy! Ano nangyayari? Kakarating ko lang eh.
Yes, pa-attendance na.
Unang-una uwing-uwi yan.
Oo, bilis. Kayong dalawa, sumama kayo sa amin. Uy, sinunod ko naman si Damian ah. Bakit pati ako? Jailboot pala. Buti hindi kasal.
Kakatipa.
Kapag kasama ka, gumagaan na yung mood. Katabi, kasama habang hawak yung bowl. May malamig kung nabasa pagkatapos mag-cool. Naliga ko na
놓지마 이 밤이 가기 전에 baby
So can somebody please let me know? Tell me who's that girl that's walk in the club. Tell me who's that girl that's walk in the club. Tell me who's that girl that's walk in the club. Just walk.
Jo! Jo, ano ba yun? Kung galit ka, sabihin mo sa akin. Ano bang gusto mo, Jo? Nagmumukha naman akong tanga dito eh. Kung galit ka, murahin mo ako. Gusto mo ba? Saktan mo na lang ako. Oo, ano? Jo, ano?
Push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no.
My little soda pop. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Cool me down, you're so hot. Pull me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
Good morning. We are the Group 4 and we will report about the human evolution together with Black Bell and Porter. It is defined with which named Pithecanthropus. Pithecanthropus, the fossil was between 700,000
Ano bang sulat to? Hindi mabasa.
and 1 million years old and belonged to a hominin. Sorry, sir. Fragmentary fossils of the oldest known means Sahelanthropus chadensis, Olorhyntugenensis,
Ulit-ulit yung sinasabi nila.
Ardipithecus cadaba,
Ay, ulit na naman niya.
of
Yari sa'yo kay
Ethiopia.
sir.
Not Eleganto, Group 4. Binabasa niya lang ang report niya. Okay, Miss Forger, explain.
Explain?
Okay, for Group 4, Damian Desmond, Becky Blackbell, and Anya Forger. Your group will report about the human evolution.
My hair with keratin. Keratin? But not just keratin. Dapat may plus. May plus? Kaya ay
Miss Forger, makinig ka nga. So, yun, meron ako nabasang book about our topic. Unfortunately, fortunately, dala ko siya.
Ako naman, may napanood. Nagsimula daw tayo sa ganito-ganito. Basta marami yun. Naalala ko lang yung Neanderthals. Neanderthal? Ba't mo inuulit yung word? Kasi napanood ko yung kay Ma Salvador, yung keratins. Kami mo ka lang. Magsulat ka na lang. Wala ka lang ambag eh. Look. Lagay mo dyan, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens? Oo, meron pa dyan yung Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens! Ano pa?
Wow, Mama! Did you buy this?
I made them myself.
Oh, Nikki, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you, already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano pumasa. Mag-aral lang mabuti. Kumapya. Lakihan mo sulat mo. Hoy, wag mo kakopyahan yung baby cakes ko. Sumipsip sa teacher. Ma'am, ako na po dyan.
Hi, thank you.
Sa kalalagay ito, ma'am. Ma'am, may papabili po kayo sa kantin?
O sige, bili mo ako ng 10 turon, tapos large na buko juice, tapos bili mo na rin ako ng empanada kung meron.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yung bayad po.
Ay, akala ko libre mo.
Oo nga po. Sabi ko nga, libre ko eh. Yes! Pasado!